Okay. That was weird. I don't know what happened there. I am sorry about that. Let's see. Still trying to get some things pulled back up here. Give me a sec. Just wanted to make sure I actually, like, was live again. So that we didn't lose too much. Okay. Got that going. Got this up again. Got this up. Dum. Now I need my 4 instances. Of this pulled up. Okay. This I'm going to have this folder pulled up here. This folder here. This folder here. And this one I'll use if I need it. Okay. What are we doing? Get this up. We got this. Okay. Okay. You know what? I think that's fine. It's not 2x2s. Actually, like, nothing in these designs is 2x2s. I mean, this is. Yeah, I guess it is. There's some stuff is and some stuff isn't. So yeah, I guess it's fine. This all is. Okay. Oy. What did I actually grab for the wall here? Grab the main thing with the window. Oh, I'm tired. Now, the lab is going to be a different situation. And I might actually have to do the lab interior, or at least the walls. Maybe even do it custom. Because what I'm thinking for the lab is I kind of want it to match the outside. I mean, this is just like the regular lab floor. I guess I could take that. Is this an orchestral version of Clair de Lune? Yes, it is. Just pulling this up real quick so that I can grab one of these. Fill in the spaces here. Just like that. And I guess I'll fill in these up here as well. At least for now. Okay. And ooh, maybe I fill in all of the... Here's an idea. Maybe I just, instead of doing the floors and the... Yeah, I'm just gonna grab all of this stuff for inside the house. So all the stuff that I want in the house. Or houses, I should say. So I want these stairs. Why is my cursor there? What? Copy this over. Boom. That goes there, like that. Like that, there we go. Need this top part. Stick that on there. Not sure why this shadow exists. I guess that exists for like if it's not right up against a wall, but it will be up against a wall. Take this. Why did that select that square? What? I don't know. Everything is acting up today, apparently. This here is these shadows. Hold on. What happened? Okay, there we go. And this. And I guess I'll drop one here for now. Okay. Tables. Trash cans. We need to grab those. What? Go ahead and grab both. Okay. Sink system. Let's grab the lighter version. Oh, that's big. That can go there. And we'll be able to fill in all of this space in a minute. We'll need this. Put this up here, I guess. That works. Need a table. Do I need to grab all of these? Nah. I'm not gonna need all of those. Let's just grab this one. Actually, maybe I will. Maybe I will need all of these. So let's go ahead and grab them, actually. That's just as big as the sink is, so that's going to have to... Oh, no, it's not. Hold on, because that... Ugh. No, okay. It has to go under here. Okay. Oh, chairs. Duh. Nope. That's not what I wanted. No. There you go. Okay. Plate could be good. Ooh, there's a lamp here. Oh, this is going to be... This table here is going to be perfect for the lab. So I could use that as the table for the Pokeballs. There is the round version of the counter. There's also the straight version of it, though. I think I like this one more. Did we not already hear this piece? I guess it's a different recording of it. Oh yeah, no, that's definitely different. Okay. Da, 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 da. TV. Grab this. Three wide, which is perfect because that can slide into there like that. Why do I have this version of it here? Oh, right, because it just copied over from the other thing. Copy that. I'm going to stick that into this box. I have some space to work with here. Do I want to put anything into that space? I think I do, but what is the question? There's the beds, bookshelves. Ooh. It doesn't fit into that space, but I do like this. Grab that. Grab this as well. One, two, three. Ah, it's 5, not 6. Okay. Actually, I guess I could only. Maybe. I'm just gonna take. I know what I'm gonna do. Ooh. There's those plants. I should grab those. I want to grab these, though. Oops. I guess I'll grab the purple one as well. Pinkish purple. I don't actually really know what color that is. I guess it's like a maroon. Okay. Now I've still just got these two over here. Oh, these plants. I forgot about these. Whoa. How did I just do that? Oh my god, that's so easy. How did I not realize that that was a thing? Okay. Well. Okay. Got the plants in. Bed. Ooh. Do I want this bed instead? Many options are in my head. Okay. What do I have all on here right now? The stairs, fridge, trash can, sink, setup, TV, small bookshelves, table, bed. I am still missing a decent, like, desk, though. Um, packing boxes. Oh, I didn't even notice the bunk beds up there. Not gonna need that, though. Rug. I don't have anything for the floors either. That's what I forgot. Kaizath, hello. Welcome in. How are you doing? It has been a bit. Just working on some Pokemon games today. Ooh. Carpet and bed for the rival house. That's what I'm also needing. So player's house is gonna have blue stuff. Ooh, I could do the green one for the rival house. Armor core? I don't know anything about that. But I've definitely heard the name. I feel like it's very big right now. And yes, I am absolutely getting assets for a game. I am developing a Pokemon game. It's my own Pokemon fan game. So what I'm looking at here is like a Generation 5 style interior set. And so I'm specifically grabbing the stuff for the inside of the houses for one of the towns. You know, I'm actually gonna, before I forget, I'm gonna just cut this in half because I don't need it to be that big. Oh, maybe I will. Ooh, that cut off more than I thought it would. Maybe I will. Okay. Let's let's go back to this side. Robot customizations and graphic design. Fair. Yeah, no, a Pokemon game. It's a whole brand new Pokemon game in a unique region with a full unique Pokedex and everything. So I'm just grabbing these assets right now, and then as soon as I'm done with that, that did not mean to do that. I will be switching over to actually using those to build the map. Okay. Yeah, I got a full unique dex of fake Pokemon that a friend and I came up with and everything, so... Well, I might as well grab this while I'm here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for the walls, though, of the lab. Desk, I'm still... I keep getting distracted. I still haven't found a desk. Good desk, at least. Oh, it's not gonna be cartridge. As far as I know, I have no idea how I would even manage to do that. So, that's a chalkboard, isn't it? That's totally a chalkboard. Ooh, a clock. I should grab that. Why do I have space? I do have space in here. Stick that there. Okay. Plate? I could grab the plate, just to actually have something like on the... Nope. Ooh. Nope. Oh boy. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I think. I mean, I don't have the full like story ironed out. I mean, I kind of do, but it needs a lot of work still. But yeah, right now I'm just focused on actually like building up the region and stuff. You know what? I could show you that. I started building this project and I'm now doing a second stream of it, and people have just seen a little bit of the towns and the routes and stuff that I've built. But y'all haven't actually seen what the region is like. Or going to be like, I should say. Oh, I forgot it. I had these. I don't know if they're going to be useful. Uh, huh. Okay. Here. Do this. I think it's under here? Yes. So this here is the actual region map. So the name of the region is Camus. And so you start the game here, right in the middle of the map. You start right in the very middle in Neutratown. And Neutratown I have built, that's what I'm building the interior tile set for right now. What I've been working on today is actually is to build up the interiors of the houses and the Pokemon and the professor's lab and stuff like that is what I've started working on. So then you go down this route south to Berry White Town, which I built last stream and I'm going to be redoing because, as I mentioned earlier, the houses actually don't work. So I'm gonna have to find better houses for that. So I might try to do that today as well, get the houses for that. And you go this way through the woods to Gulisteco City, which is where the first gym is. Then down to Dextamp, where the second gym is. Then over to Sandscale Town, up to Pearmeadow City. Then to Tellera. And then from Tellera, is that where you get Fly? Oh yeah, no, I have the entire thing planned out. I've got like what is it, 3 pages of story written out or something like that. I also have a full list of like over 200 Pokemon that will possibly end up being added. What? Okay. What the heck is this playlist? I'm hearing. I feel like this is the second piece that I've now heard twice in this playlist. What the heck? Okay. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah. So then, I actually started this project with a friend, Spudfin, and he came up with most of the Pokemon themselves. We have designs for some of them, not a ton of them. All of the designs that we have are gonna actually have to be redrawn just because I'm doing that differently now and stuff. Yeah, they are still coming up with new ones. It's a lot. We are currently at 1,010 Pokemon total. And that is before the ones that are introduced for the Scarlet Violet DLC, which how many more is that? I'm going to do my best to not say their names in case people don't want the spoilers of things that have been revealed. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Pokemon that I am immediately thinking of. I'm sure I'm forgetting some of the other ones. But off the top of my head, I can think of 8 new ones that they're adding in the DLC. At least, yeah. Right? And I think 7 of those are actually coming to part 1 of the DLC. And then there's only 1 of them one of those 8 that's in part 2, meaning we'll probably get more in part 2 that have not been revealed yet. I'm almost certain of it. Possibly even more legendaries. We're getting more legends in part 1. So, getting 4 more legends in part 1. Yeah, so then the numbers that are in the red boxes here, red boxes are cities. What the blue circles are towns, green circles are like other locations. The numbers in the boxes here is the order of the gems and stuff. Yeah. So that's the actual region. Oh, I opened the program, but I didn't open the project. That would help. Okay. So here's Neutrotown, which remember is the starting town. So then this is what the default inside looks like. It's because I changed the tile set. It's because this is my tile set for the. Why? Oh, actually, hold on a second. Why is the interior tile set for this is the berry white tile set for some reason right now? That's weird. That'll get fixed as soon as I actually finish the tile set that I'm building. So then here's Route 1. So you go actually south from the town, which is unique. In every mainline game. Sorry, this is also a piece that I can play. What is with this playlist? My repertoire is not that big. How do we keep getting things that I can play? What was I saying? Right. In the mainline games, when you leave the starting town, you always either leave. Right, you go north in Kanto, you up in Kanto, you go left in Johto, you go up in Hoenn, you go up and then right in Sinnoh, you go up in Unova, both the originals and the sequels, you go up in Kalos, you go up in Alola, you go up in Galar, and you have control of the camera, so it's straightforward, but it's technically right, in Paldea. Right? So there's never actually one. Oh, and in Legends Arceus, it's right and then up. It's right and up. Well, technically just forward again. Or up and then left, depending on like how you look at the map. But like comparing the like layout of the map to like where the exits are and stuff, even though it's like a self-contained area, it would technically be right and up in Legends Arceus as well. So there's never actually a mainline game where you start going down instead. So that's kind of unique. And then this is the Route 1. So you go through here, and then this leads out into Berry White Town, which right now looks like this. These are the houses that I said I'm gonna have to switch out. Because the door is just way too big, and it doesn't look right, having a door that big compared to all of the rest of the game. So is a Nidorino in chat for anybody who is interested. Okay, let's see. I think I'm close to done with this. I just need more stuff for the interior of the lab. I didn't actually grab the floor for the lab, did I? Not that one. This one. Oh my god, knowing that shortcut is so nice. I didn't realize that was a thing. Actually, I'm gonna take this, just stick it down there for now. Use this as kind of like a barrier in between the two. You know what? I didn't line that up, so I'm just gonna recopy and paste that back in. Was it dumb to not line it up? Yeah, probably. Actually, not probably, certainly. Did not mean to move that on there. Okay. Now we need big bookshelves. These ones. I guess I will grab... Yeah, I guess I'm gonna grab all of this, aren't I? I'm gonna do... I'm just gonna stick this down here. Okay, I am actually lining it up this time so I can properly grab it later. Okay, I just barely did that properly. Okay, hello. That was very close. Gonna grab these as well, so that I have options and don't have to make every single one look exactly identical. Okay. Definitely don't need that stuff. I will need this, however. Ooh. Do I want to line that up like that? Or do I keep it like this? I'll keep it like this, I guess. Did I still never grabbed like a desk, did I? I still never grabbed a desk. Okay. What can I use as a desk? I don't remember if there was like a decent thing for a desk on here at all. Just like dressers. Oh, hold on. Hold. Okay, what? Not that. This. Not that. Yes. I already have this basically set up already. Including a whole bunch of, well, not a whole bunch, but a few custom tiles. I completely forgot that I already had that. I mean, I would lose that stuff just switching to using this one. But I mean, it's got everything on there that I need. It's literally all the same stuff. So maybe I just use this. Just gonna drop this here. So this... I don't actually need. Goodbye. All of that work that I was just doing. Don't need it. Okay. I did not actually implement the tile set. Da, 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 da. Oh, not that. This. Okay. Now I can go to PN's house. Nope, not yet. Hold on. What if I just... No, I'm gonna make this different. Okay. Change maximum. I'm just gonna make that 50 right now. I'm gonna need a lot of tile sets here. I'm gonna choose Nutritown inside. Nutritown inside. I don't have any auto tiles for this one. So this is gonna be totally messed up. Oh my god. Okay, what does Berry White look like? Okay, that's actually not bad. Berry White kind of maintained a lot of its shape. Route 1 did not fare so well. Switch back to this tile set. And now it looks correct again. We're gonna switch this to here, and now this looks correct. Doesn't look good because I'm gonna switch it, but it looks correct. And why is that? Did Is that always white? I thought that was supposed to be black. Hold on. Oh, that's right. That's broken. I'm guessing this is broken too? No, this one loaded. Oh, it's literally just like a black tile from a different tile set. Okay. Sure. That's So I can literally just set this to be Neutrotown. And then paint bucket this. Okay. Cool. This is going to use Neutrotown inside. I guess I can keep these dimensions for now. I don't see why not. Oops. Not paint bucket. Now paint bucket. Okay. Oh, I can't quite keep the dimensions. Because this wall, oops, is actually a little bit taller. Also, do if I want to make the room bigger. That's another thing. Which I do. I want to make the room bigger. So that it's going to extend like that. This is going to come down to here. And that's all going to fill in like that. I think I want to take this, do that. Now let's build up a little kitchen. Okay, I am skipping this song. That's the third time we've heard Claire de Lune today. This way. Let me get rid of the shadows for now. Okay. Do that. Put on the end thing. Place that there. Actually, I want to... Oh, no. Here we go. Oops. Welcome to the joys of doing this art. I want to make this bigger. I can't make it bigger. Okay. Oops, wrong level. There we go. Oh, I gotta do this still. So for anybody who is interested, this is the movement permission screen. So I can change movement permissions on all of this here. Actually, if I leave this... No, I want to X that out. This all gets X'd out. These all need X's. That needs an X. That needs an X. That needs an X like that. X is there. Oops. X is there. This I'm going to leave O's. All the rest of these get X's. And what these X's do is they stop people, they stop those tiles from being passable, so you can't walk in those spaces. X is there. X is like that. Okay. X is there. I think that's it for that. I think. No, this needs an X. These need an X. Okay. Those need X's. Oh, the bed. Right. What do I want to do for the bed? I could... Actually, can I? Or is it too wide? I was gonna say, can I move it? Oh. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Because then you won't actually be able to, like, step onto any of the bed tiles. But then do you want to sleep can just be, like, interacting with the bed. I think that's how I want to do this. So I'm going to do that. I'm actually going to do this. Okay, I can go. No less than that. Okay. Brain work. 1056. Yes. Now it's only as big as the actual stuff. I didn't actually update that here. Okay. Did I save it? See, I have the wrong version of this open. Okay. So now I gotta go here. Not that. Where is it? Okay. Now I actually have the right thing loaded into the game. Yeah, it's stopping there now. It it didn't save the movement permissions. Well, time to do that again. Okay, X, all of these. Not those. X out those. X out all of these. Those. That. 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 Oh, maybe I leave those so that you can like walk behind the bed kind of thing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's do that. Get to X out all of these again. Oops. Like that. That, X those out. X those out. These ones will stay valid. Passage. This is where things are going to get a little interesting. This, I need to do that. What am I doing? I gotta X all of this stuff out. Okay. Priority. There's an X on it. That needs priority, that needs priority, that needs priority. This. I have those just X'd for now, which I think is fine. Those and these will get priority. I think that's all I need to do here. I think? Let's build up the rest of this house now, and if something's completely wrong with that, we can fix it later. I think I might put the stairs here, actually. To here. Get rid of this. Oops. Wrong level. There we go. Oh, is this the stair vent? It is. So I can just move that a tile down. And we're good. This, I think, is the warp. That's the exit. Yes, it is. Okay. put that there. And then this stuff, no, I don't want a new event. PC, stairs down. Those are what are usually the wall signs in this version. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meaning this can start here. Like that. Fill that in. Go up to this. Oh, geez, I'm still on Paint Bucket. How did I do the table before? Dave, hello, welcome in. How are you doing today? How in the world? How did I do this before? I actually can't think of how I did this before. What? What? I can't get this table to look right. Why can't I get the table to look right? This is a custom Pokemon game that I am building. Oops. I guess that kind of works. Yeah. It's not perfect. The table kind of goes too far up this tile. But works well enough, I guess. Another bookshelf. Do I not? I think I might be missing some shadows here. Yeah, I am. I'm missing some shadows. Well, I didn't build this tile set perfectly when I built it. How am I missing shadows of all things? I guess it makes sense that I would be missing shadows, but... Okay, which... I don't even know which version this is. I'm just gonna close that, open this so that I know I have the right version of this open. We're gonna be super janky with this. We're just gonna take those out. Where were the stairs? There's the stairs. These two tiles right here. There's the shadows. We're gonna put them here. Okay. Do this. Da-da-da. And now, if I click off and back on, I have my shadows. It's so stupid. Okay. Let's see. That is 6 there. I did measure that. Take. Oh, actually, what layer am I on? Oh, I'm on layer 3. That's why. Take these. Move that one over. Is this gonna? I feel like that's a little tight. I don't know. Those can go there. I put that there like that. And if I set everything up correctly, I should be able to like walk along here behind the TV and in front of the stairs. If I set it up correctly. Fingers crossed I did. Drop the bed here. Where's my carpet? Did I not add the carpet to this version of it? I also don't have stuff for the rival house. Okay. Clearly this thing is incomplete. Back to here. Okay, you know what? This is fine. I was gonna say, haven't I heard this already? But it's fine. I actually want to learn this. I have the music for it somewhere. I don't know where it is, though. I was actually looking for it earlier. I couldn't find it. I have an idea of where it might be, but... Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with this. Let's see. I'm just... That's only 1056? Okay. I don't know if that's a perfect tile. It is very much not a perfect tile. That is half a tile. Okay. So we need 2110 then? Will that do it? Oops. Two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hold on. No. 2112. Yeah, there we go. Back up here. And zoom out a little. This. I'm gonna just move it down to here for the moment. This. that. Not there. There we go. Now I have some space to work with. Okay, first thing I want to do. Actually, hold on. This is where I put the shadows right now. Ideally, I would have them actually like lined up with this thing. It's gonna take a lot of reorganizing of this though. It's not great. You know what I could do? Is I could take these, just stick them here for the time being. What is this? WC Reverie. I don't know if I've ever heard this. We need this. Okay, now I'm going to take all of this, move it up to here. Move this down and out of the way. And now, I'm going to put this here, like that. Oh, there we go. That there. And now with the stairs like that, I can take this, put it there, did I move the shadows somewhere, or did I just not, or did I delete them? I don't remember what I did. Don't think I actually have them on here right now. Okay. So I'm gonna come back to here. Oh, I already selected, okay. Copy that, put that on here, like that. Select all of this, move it up to here. Then I could use this space to grab, or to, I can move this. No, I was gonna say I can move this all up on that. I can't because that's like that. Okay, hold on. Now I can grab something. Ooh. Now I can grab something for the walls of the lab. What is lab-esque? Honestly, it's probably going to change. Just because, as I said earlier, I do want it to more match the outside of the building. Which, the outside of the building looks like this. With a lot of, like, glass and stuff. So I don't think I have an inside that looks like that. Unless it's, like... unless I do something where it's like, only the front of the building has glass, the back of it doesn't. That would be kind of funny, but... I could do the same, just you do the same one actually. Just use the same wall. Yeah, I might do that. Line that up there. Could move these down here. This up here. That's a 3x3 and then a 2x2. Well, these I could make... I could stick these up here for the 3x3. Then that's a 2x3. Yeah, 2x2. Where did I stick that there? Move that up one. It feels like wasted space. Okay, well, for now, I'm just gonna stick this here, like that. And put one here, put one here, not there, there. And we're gonna take it, nope. Take a 2x2 and put that there. Okay. I still don't have the carpet on here. Planter, hello. Carpet, 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 carpet. Carpet's gonna be a 3x3. Which one do I want? This one. That's a 3x3, so where do I put it? I know what I do. Get rid of those for now. Move this. Oh. There we go. Move that there. Put this down here. Yeah. And now the carpet can go here. Except that I also need another carpet and another bed for the rival's house. Okay. The bed only needs to be 2 wide. I don't need the shadow since I have the shadow from that one that I can just copy over. Where's the beds? I think I was thinking earlier that I wanted the green one. So I want this. Here, I could take these, stick them here. Oh, that actually works out perfectly. Now, if only I didn't also have to put another carpet in here. Delete that. Paste that. It's gonna go like that. Is that right? Did I just copy this wrong? Yep, I totally just copied it wrong. Okay. So we're just going to delete that, actually. Carefully grab that. Make sure to grab all the way to the actual edge of the bed this time. You know what? I'm just gonna stick this down here. Gonna move these up to there. Okay. I don't know if these are the same shadow. It looks like it is, actually. 2, and 1. From the top. Yeah, okay, it is actually the same shadow. Positioned the same way. Okay, yeah, that works. So I don't actually need the shadow. I was correct on that hunch. In which case, I can now just find another carpet, another rug. For the green room. This one, I'm not the biggest fan of that. Okay, I thought I saw something. These are interesting. They don't really... Robin, hello! I am making a Pokemon game. It is a fully custom Pokemon game. Well, let's just go with this one. This one will work. Fully custom Pokemon game with in an all-new region with a fully unique Pokedex and everything. So what I'm working on right now is I am working on a tile set because I am spending today designing the insides of buildings. Hence the title. Okay. So that should be good on this for now. I think. So I'm going to do this. 1524. I don't know how. Ooh, that was actually semi-close. Okay, that wasn't ridiculously far off. 1296. Okay, the 1296 is halfway through a tile. 1224. Oh, that's so close. Okay, 1216. There we go. That. Ooh, Pokemon graphics for Zelda tile sets. Okay. Slowking in chat for anybody who is playing Pokemon Community Game, and my Stream Deck buttons are still broken. They have been broken the entire stream and all of last stream, and I'm still forgetting that they're broken. Well, I'm using a bunch of... I have a whole bunch of tile sets that people have designed. Some of them are ripped, I think. Some of it is not. But this is like a Gen 5 in Generation 5 black and white style tile set for interiors, which is what I'm using for my own interiors for this game. What I'm doing is oops. I am just building a whole bunch of tile sets. So these here are all tile sets that I've built, compiling sets from different things. Just make sure. Really? Dang it. Okay. Oh well. Oops. Yeah, so like I have a whole bunch of tile sets. Uh, range of graphics, like, do you mean like what the set is being used for, kind of thing? Is that what you're referring to? Because because if that's what you're referring to, then I'm building one for each thing. So I have one for the starting town, then one for the first route, then one for the second town, one for the inside of the first town, which is what this one is. Okay, I swear this is like the fourth or fifth time we're hearing this piece today. What the heck? I'm skipping it. I hear Girl with the Flaxen Hair enough. I play it. Also, yes, I know we're not doing a music stream today, but I have essentially converted this project into a fully on-stream project at this point, and I was very much in the mood to do it. Oops. Okay, just gonna paste that in again. So the quest maker. Oh, I mean that's one way you theoretically could do it if you have few enough tiles. Um, because there's the program kind of limits you in a way. I mean, like, if you because like it kind of limits how big your actual tile sets can be. So if you have a ton of different tiles, which I'm going to have, then you want to have multiple different tile sets. Hey, Bog. Um, the other thing with tiles is with tile sets is that you can only have a very limited number of what are called auto tiles. So those, yeah, I'm using a special program that's specifically designed for this. Um, so I'm actually doing it using RPG Maker. Um, but then I have a special thing installed as well called Pokemon Essentials. And what that does is it actually implements a ton of the functionality. So I can hit play here and everything works. I'll show you how I can show you how building this works. So obviously here's the tile set, then you build the map, right? Then you can add events and do different things and stuff. Um, but then like here is this thing does what's called a bush flag, and that is specifically in reference, like here you can see this tall grass. It uses the bush flag, and so this is something that's built into Pokemon Essentials to say, oh, this is a bit of grass, and so this is a tile that a wild battle can be initiated on this map, right? Um, so and stuff like that, and then the whole battling system, types, moves, and all of that. That's all like done and figured out. I have to redo the information for the Pokemon themselves because, as I said, it's going to be a unique dex, so I have to do all full unique sprite work for the new Pokemon and write up all of the text files and stuff for all of the information regarding them. But the actual functionality of it is all fully implemented thanks to Pokemon Essentials. Well, scripting and coding are optional to an extent. They're optional if you don't have anything special or different that you're implementing. So like if I were to, every Pokemon generation has a gimmick. If I wanted to add in my own gimmick, I'd have to physically code that in. But, and honestly, I'm not really going to be using anything special for this besides the custom Pokemon themselves. But that's just simply a matter of, as I said, creating all of the documentation for each one. So if I pull this up, this is the actual game folder itself. Let's see. Not data. PBS. So types.txt. Good to see you, Bug. So like here, normal type. Icon position is in reference to the actual like graphic of all of the like little type icons. And then here's its weaknesses and immunities of the types, right? And so this, if I wanted to add a type, I could just take this and add another section down here, and there you go. Another type has been implemented, as long as I've added that, all of the proper like images and everything into the graphics folder in the correct spots. Which I'll be doing a lot of that, as I said, for all of the unique Pokemon that are going to be added. I started this project with a friend, and between us, mostly him, we have over 250 new unique Pokemon, which is a lot. And every Pokemon has a ton of info regarding it. If I open up this file, this is all of the info just for Bulbasaur, for one single Pokemon, right? You have its ID, the name, its types, its base stats, gender ratio, growth rate, XP, EVs, what it all, and so much more. This is level up moves that it learns from a tutor, how many steps it takes to hatch its egg, its height and weight, and what color it's classified as, and its Pokedex entry, and all of that kind of stuff, how it evolves. So there's the graphics for the Pokemon are, there's also, oops, that is all in the graphics folder. What is this music? Okay, I'm gonna skip to this one. How many times is Girl with the Flaxen Hair on this playlist? I swear I think this is the legitimately 6th or 7th time I've heard it already. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, this folder here is for, like, if I go into here, here are the front sprites of the Pokemon for in battle. Then here's the back sprites. And then here's the front sprite of the shiny versions. And here's the back sprites of the shinies. And their icon when you pull up your menu to see which ones are in your party. That's these icons, and there's one for all of them. And then obviously there's the shiny versions of that as well. Then there's different egg icons as well. So there's a lot. There's not... I mean, you also... Hold on. What is... I mean... The ones... Okay. The one based on the animal is probably Doduo. I'm guessing is the one that based on the animal. The one based on the fruit is not real. So there is none. There is no real one based on the fruit. Doduo, I guess, is based on a kiwi? I don't actually know. I mean, it makes sense. It has the right, like, head shape and stuff. Doduo and Dodrio. Yeah. And it's actually kind of funny you mentioned that. Because we're going to have a kiwi one that is based on a combination of the bird and the fruit in our game, in this game, that my friend who I started the project with, came up with. Oh my god. Please, thank you. So that's actually one of the ones in our Pokedex for this game. Okay. This is still not the right thing. What do I need? I need this. I need to go back to tile sets here. That's the folder that's already open there. Okay. So I want to go out of all the way back to this folder? Yes. Okay. So now if I come out and back in, nothing got messed up? Wait. It's not Wiki, no. the one that we're adding in is not called Wiki. No, it's called Peewee Kiwi. Yeah, ours is called Peewee Kiwi. Oh, One sec. Oh, what the... Yep, Pee-wee Kiwi. Just like that. Where? I had an image of him somewhere. Where is he? Where's that image? Oh, I think Spudfin sent that to me. I think Spudfin just messaged it to me. Spudfin is the friend who I started this project with, and he'll be rejoining the project probably once we're in a place that it's more than just like this kind of stuff. Yes, all the Pokemon are going to be original. We have over 250 Pokemon unique for it. So it's a big list of new stuff. A lot of work to do all of that, because of course you have to do remember what I showed you with Bulbasaur, you have to do that for every single Pokemon plus all of the sprites and stuff. So it's a ton of work. To do all of that, but it'll be good. We're probably gonna end up getting help and stuff for the project at some point once it's in a spot and we are in a place with it where we're actually like able to do stuff. Is this the... Oh my god, is this the wrong version of it? Hold on. What did I do? Okay. Save this. Which version is that? Okay, that's this one. Copy this. Put that there. And now if I go off and back on... the bookshelves just ended up there. That's funny. Okay, that works out. Hello? Okay. What? Hold on. Why do I have this weird shadow here? Okay, that was weird. Oops. That's not right. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix all of these again, aren't I? Maybe not all of... yeah, I'm gonna have to fix a lot of these. That is actually fine, because those didn't move, so it's really just this column at first. It needs to be like that, that's like that. These need to be allowed. Oh, priority stuff is gonna be totally screwed up as well. Those can be open, that should be open. This all needs to be open. That needs to be open. These need to all be X'd. That's open. X all those. X those out. All of these get X'd out. That middle column gets X'd out. Okay. What the heck is this? Clear the loot again! Okay, I am getting a different playlist. We're switching playlists. Well, not that. I just... It's not that. It's that the playlist that I was on had the... Like, that was kept playing the same pieces over and over again. I heard WC's Girl with the Flaxen Hair like 8 times. Like, what the heck? Why is it playing the same piece so much? Okay, give all of these priority of 2. No, that should not have priority. What am I doing? Needs to be passable, but not have priority. 4-directional passage does need to be changed. Yes, like this. That's what I want, right? I think. And then I don't think I have to touch these ones at all. I think? Maybe? Fingers crossed. Okay, all of these need X's then. This is an interior thing, so I don't need to worry about... I gotta fix all of those. X that out. What even is that? Is that just like a blank? There's just a random blank tile here. Okay, I gotta fix that. And put these X's here into the blank tiles so that if they accidentally end up on the map, we can see them. That's what all of the X's are. And I need one here. Like that. Okay. Okay, why do I now have... huh? Okay, sure. Don't know why I suddenly have open space up here, but whatever. Let's save that. Let me take this, copy it, overwrite this one. Not that. X those. Oh, these need priority. There we go. Who needs an X? Okay, I think everything should be good with that now. Some stuff got shifted around a little bit. That's fine. Oops. Nothing else on the first floor actually got adjusted. Okay. Why is this on the third layer? I need that on the second. Nope. That's what I... Ay, ay, ay. Layers are hard sometimes. Okay. Okay. Top of the TV is the only thing on this third layer. That is good. I'm gonna stick another window there. And you know what? I'm actually gonna do it. Not that. Do that. Okay, cool. I totally put that on the wrong layer. Okay. Right. The bed does need to be on the third layer, not the second. Is that positioning weird for the bed now with the rug like that? I don't know, I think it's fine. Yeah, I think that's fine. I am going to take this. Oh, did I not? Okay, I'm gonna do that. Move this over one. I'm not using the shadows of the staircase. Take this, move it there. I need to be very careful. Why? Okay, hold on. Yeah, delete that. And I go here, with those. And now, it's safe to do that. Now, if I go to this, select that, well, keep it down. Now, when I boot up the game, you should actually start next to the bed instead. I gotta edit these since the warp locations are slightly different. Okay, now I edit this one, do the same thing. Nope, not that, this. Okay. Save the changes. Got an exception. Okay. Oh, events graphic is an out of range tile. Event 8 map 3. That's event 1. Ten, 11, 8. Oh. That's all just berry trees. Could just stick a Pokeball icon on it. So I'll just train our classes. Okay. That should have fixed that issue. Yes. No? Event 10. Same issue. And I'm guessing this one also is going to have the same issue as well. Okay. Do these even have... No, this is all just text. just gonna delete those. Probably could just delete these two, but oh well. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Thanks for the lurk. What is this? I'm just gonna delete that too. Oh, that's already set to the right spot. Okay. Awesome. Except that I want it here to be like this. I think I did that right, unless I'm supposed to just do 1, 3 instead of 3, 1. Move this here. Move this over here. Here's my little preview of it. Not debug. Just gonna turn the sound off. So if I say new game, what is happening? Something is not right. Oh, that's right. It needs to be 8 tiles, not 6. Okay. What is happening? Something is broken. Something is very broken. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? I don't know what that was. What the heck? I don't know what to do about that. I seriously have no idea what to do about that. What the heck? Okay, I'm just gonna do this for the moment. That almost makes me think that this file is corrupted in some weird way where it's not like where it's not what the heck? Countdown, hello, welcome. Okay, that is very strange. So here's what I'm gonna do. Going to do a new map. And we're basically just gonna rebuild this. On a new map. I forgot to switch the thing. We want this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna go across. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the first room. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops. There we go. Just paint bucket that in. Come back to pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw a line here. I'm okay, other than the fact that my map seems to have gotten corrupted, and now I'm trying to figure out what the heck just happened. So I'm recreating this map. No, oops. Because, like, here, it looks fine. It just happened. I'll show you what what's going on. I load in. What is this? Why is the big giant red stuff anywhere that I can't... I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So I'm just... Oops. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm just starting from scratch. This, and I'm actually building it properly this time because I have 8 tiles in between here instead of the 6 that I had before. Okay. Oops, that's the wrong map. That's the wrong level. Okay. How was I doing this kitchen? Did I have one counter there? No, that was going straight to the sink. And then a burner. And then the end of the cabinet, and then the fridge? Is that right? Nope. Like that. One more counter segment. Back to first one. Oops. Do that. On the layer, it would help if I actually toggled to that. Yeah, I'm not just playing it. I don't know why, but like, Discord for some reason has decided that when I'm go live, it does not want to give me the live status. And I have no idea why. My account is connected. I think my account is connected. Everything is the way it's supposed to be, but for some reason it doesn't want to actually give me like the live status. So hello, what? There we go. That's what I wanted. Did I not select the end counter? Oh, there we go. Okay. Apparently I didn't. Okay, this... Oh, not there. That's gonna go there. Let me switch to here for that. Put this there. Actually, I want the blue one. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Okay, that's the first floor. Now the upper floor. Which is gonna be pretty easy to do. It's gonna be like that. Nope, not that. No, like that. There we go. That's gonna go there. Oops. Layers. Yeah, I'll put it up there. Does look a little wonky, but it works out. Disconnecting and reconnecting? I mean, I guess it doesn't... I think I tried that. I don't remember, actually. I've been having the issue for quite a while. So I probably tried that, but it doesn't hurt to do it again. Not gonna do that right now, though. Okay, actually, let's get the bed in here first. On that there. What layer did I put that on? Right? Wrong layer, because this one actually does need to be on level 3. Layer 3, not level 3. There we go. Also, rocking a 3-monitor setup just like I do. Yeah, I got 3 monitors. That's not what I wanted. I wanted that. They're not expensive monitors. They're pretty cheap monitors, but they're good at enough. Just had to color correct them when I got them, and they work as well as they need to. They're not like $400 or $500 monitors or anything like that, so. Okay, I do fail. I do feel like there's something missing here. It's like, ugh. No, that's like directly like on top of that, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Out there. That could work. No, hold on. I don't have any windows up here. Ooh, hey, I actually made the top and the bottom floor the same size. That was an accident. I actually did not mean to do that. Do I have anything else in here? No, in fact, I have more in this one. Oops. There we go. What do I want to do? Stick a bookshelf here, I guess. And also for anybody who is wondering, yes, I did make this Switch thing myself. This is custom made. That's a custom asset that I built. Same with these monitors, actually. The 3-monitor setup, I made that myself as well. I took the colors of the TV for the screen to build the monitors. I know it's very tiny, but this right here is a little Nintendo Switch. It's actually a thing that's like just like sitting on the desk. I made that myself. Yeah, I can. If I go to this, then you can see it better. No. Like an actual Nintendo Switch. Just the little Switch sitting on the desk, the same side that mine is. Mine is sitting, and well, it's behind the monitor on this side, but it's on that side of the desk. Would it work? Oh. Eh. How does it... No, it looks like it's like falling off the edge. That doesn't look good. Furfrou. Furfrou is in chat for those who are looking, by the way. I'll just do a regular Pokeball, why not? Probably not going to catch it, but that's fine. I don't know if there's really anything missing here. Kind of seems fine to me. Okay, I'm gonna delete... No, I don't want to delete that. I'm gonna copy this event. Oh, I should actually copy these as well. And these ones I'm not going to need. This one. Ooh. You know what? I am going to copy this, actually. That one I am going to copy. I'm going to delete this map. rename this. Okay. Well, I didn't get a crash. Yes. Okay. So that it was that specific map. Right. Ugh. I forgot to edit the warp data. So it's warping to a map that does not exist. And then here. No, not that. This one. Also need to re-specify location. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, my permissions on this tile are messed up. On all of these tiles are messed up. I'll have to fix that. Okay. Is this? Yes. This works the way I wanted it to. I love this. You can like walk behind here and then get like stuck behind the staircase. Okay. And now theoretically, this should bring me into here. That still says Lappet Town. I don't know why. Did I... Why are those not working? I mean, that is a huge improvement. 3, 1. Do I have to put it on this side? Or is it like... Ah! Wait, hold on. Okay, that's not right. Cozy in Pink, hello! Welcome in. I am debugging, working on this Pokemon game. Oh. How do I... Is Is it like that? I don't remember how to change the size of the event. Hold on, let's try this. So what I'm trying to get it to do. Aha! That's what. Yep. That's what I was messing up. Okay, there we go. Now all three of these I've trigger this event. Size 3-1 like that. Okay. Awesome. So this is actually done now. These events don't do anything because those building interiors do not exist. I forgot I was gonna switch out this house. Okay. This is called Nutritown. There must be some map. No, that's the map properties is what I was just in. Everything says Nutritown anywhere. Everywhere, I mean. So why is the... This is something that I honestly haven't learned yet, or if I did, I don't remember it. Because you saw when I actually like walk into the town, it still said Lappet Town, which is the default name of this map, instead of Nutritown, which is what it's actually called. I don't know how to change that. I don't know how to change that. There's something on the system? No. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take this. Do this. And I'm actually going to add in this. So this is the actual game when I hit the play button here. I'm doing, and I did it like this. One so that it's bigger. Oh my god, okay, hold on. Okay. So now you should be able to hear the game. Awesome. While I playtest it. So, I'm just going to pause that. Wow, that was a... Do I not have BGM set inside the house? Okay, I might have to get that fixed. There it is. Oh, and now it's playing here, too. Oh. Huh? Okay. Well, anyway, this is your starting house. I haven't edited this event at all, so it's just... I have the running shoes now. So, 3 monitors setup with the Switch behind it, just like my real setup. I'm building a Pokemon game. So, it is nice to be able to run. I need to remember that... Oh, yeah, that did that. I don't need that. And this is one thing that I really like, is that, like, you can walk behind the TV, but then if you walk here... And, I love this. I figured this out. In that I'm walking behind the TV and in front of the stairs. And this actually took a while to figure out. I've done it before on like a previous design, which is how I knew how to do it already. Because it's obviously like a tile grid, right? So there's this tile here. If I walk this way, it will take me back upstairs. But if I would take this tile, then I walk in front of the stairs. But then I also can't enter that tile that warps me, even though it's just one tile up. I can't get to that tile from this tile. So that I can do this, and then I'm also behind the TV at the same time. So it doesn't look like you can walk behind it, but you can. And it's just so fun to just be able to do that. So then this is not Lappet Town. I still need to figure out how to change that. This is Neutra Town, which is the first town of the game, the starting town. Oh, apparently I didn't change the text of this sign. Okay, I'll need to change that. So instead of Pallet Town, Shades of Your Journey Await, it should say Neutra Town. The Town of Quiet Beginnings, or something like that. I don't remember exactly what I was thinking of as that. And this... Oh, is this sign also... Oh, this does say Professor Balsam's lab. Okay, so Balsam is the name of my professor. This is going to... Yeah. I've locked it. I'm soft locked. Because that is actually not... That map doesn't exist yet. I haven't built the inside of the lab. Okay, this is the real test. Hey, that worked! Okay. Moving that over there. Right, there's no audio here. And I gotta turn this way down so that it doesn't absolutely blast my ears out. This. As soon as I leave the house, the music will start. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I can run. So this is Lappet Town. This is the player's house. And this is the lab. I love this lab design. I found this and I was like, oh my god, yes. So what I'm doing for it is I have a whole bunch of as I have a whole bunch of tile sets. So this on the left over here is a tile set that I've put together, which I've put together from a bunch of other tile sets. I took a whole bunch of stuff, combined the stuff that I wanted specifically for Neutrotown into its own custom tile set. So that's how I've done most of it. There are a few things that I have made myself. For example, if we go to the house, I keep forgetting that I can run because I'm so used to just walking when I do these demos. These monitors I designed myself. It's the 3-monitor setup just like me, like what I actually have. I took the colors from the TV screen that's on the main floor to create the monitors. This little switch, I drew that myself. Yeah. So I'll show you in a minute how I do this. I'll give you a little tour of the map so far. So this is Neutrotown, which is the starting town. This is, of course, your house. This is the rival's house. I actually did this house custom as well. It is this house that I took the roof and then I recolored it blue. You can see that on the left panel in the tile set in the main program as well. Then this is the starting route. Music did not change. I will have to adjust that. I don't have any encounters set up in the grass right now, but this is Route 1. And you come down Route 1 like this. And why did the time suddenly change? It's nighttime, it's daytime. It's nighttime. What? Okay, I don't know what is going on there. That is weird. This is a little... I don't have the interiors done of any of these. My friend that I started the project with actually did the original design for this building. This is a little berry shop, and then I redrew it so that it would actually, like, fit within the style. And here's a little Pokemon Center, which, once again, no interior. In these houses, I'm gonna end up switching out. And I have to switch these out because, like, the door is just, like, way too big. It just doesn't fit well into it. But this is... So I'm gonna end up switching these houses. But this is Berry White Town. That's supposed to have a line break in it. I don't know why it doesn't. There's a lot of things that need to be fixed. And you can... It's just a black box right now, but then this is gonna go out to the next route this way. Yeah. So... But yeah, you can see the big grid here. And then if I do this, I have 3 different layers. So I basically just have the grass and then this ridge on the first layer. Then I have like the paths and the buildings and the bottom halves of the trees on this layer. And then I have like the tops of the trees and a little bit of extra stuff on the third layer. So I can use these 3 layers in order to get different things. And then it's just this whole grid system. So I can just select a tile and then drop it on the grid. And that's how I do it. So I actually have this done. So what I want to do is I'm going to create a new map here. We're going to call this Daisy's house. Actually, no, I'm going to call it Rival House. Because the rifle does actually change in my game. I took inspiration from Generation 3 in that there are... you actually play as one of the one you choose one character, the other one becomes your rival, and then there's actually a third character as well. Just like Brendan and May, you choose one, play the other is your rival, and then there's Wally, who's like the third. Um Oh, you don't know the beginnings of my Pokemon knowledge. Like literally, like I can tell you right now that like I'm not even kidding. This is how ridiculous my knowledge of Pokemon is. Diamond and Pearl. I don't remember about Platinum because I've only played through Platinum once. Um, but Diamond and Pearl. You go to the second town, which is Sandgem Town. South of there, there's a beach. There is an item on the beach. Like you go down over this way, and then over here, there's an item on the beach, and this is like correct direction for you. It's like left. So I'm not the. You don't have to like flip the camera or whatever. You go. That you come into town this way, right? You go down here, and then over here on the beach, there's an item that you can pick up, and I know for a fact that that item is an antidote. I don't know why I know that, but I know that. It's just that's I know that that item is an antidote. So, if that doesn't tell you how much I know about Pokemon, then I don't know what does. And now I'll show you a little bit of how I do this. I actually want to... Actually, instead of doing this, let's delete this. I am going to just copy this, paste this in here. I did that in a weird way. Wait. Okay. I'm good now. The mascot on Pokemon that released in 2005? I don't know that. That I don't know. I'm trying to think. Because there was no game in 2005. So it wouldn't have been... It wouldn't have been the Box Legend for 2005. Oh, around that time? I mean, 2004 was Fire Red and Leaf Green. And then 2007 was Diamond Pearl. 2004 was actually also Emerald. It was Fire Red and Leaf Green at the beginning of the year, and then Emerald later in the year. So, I guess Rayquaza for end of 2004? Because that's the box legend for Emerald? I don't know. I mean, I know that that information is correct, but I don't know if that's what you're referring to. You don't know either. Awesome. By the way, since I haven't done it yet tonight, if I can find it on my Stream Deck, here is a link to the Discord for anybody who is interested. If anybody is not already on there. On the Discord, you can, of course, get extra notifications of when I go live, especially, like, for me, I have the actual notifications from Twitch disabled, and I know there's been, like, a lot of weird stuff going on as well, where, like, it's not actually sending out notifications properly. I have mine turned off, so I wouldn't know for sure. But I've heard that that's a thing that's been happening. Um, on the Discord, you can also get info about YouTube updates. I am very bad about posting to YouTube, but if and when it does happen, you can get updates on the Discord about that and other stuff. Yeah. So, let's see. I'm going to take this and we're going to rename this Rival's House. We'll keep it the same dimensions. It is technically the same house. I'm going to switch the bed to a green bed. Oops, nope, that's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Do that. Switch this. Oops. No, come on. You can see now how I'm actually building the maps here. So now it's all green. And instead of the 3 monitors this way, let's do 3 monitors that way. I'm gonna put the switch on the other side. Just to mix things up a little bit. Maybe they've got like this little bean chair here. Also put a purple one here instead of blue. What else do I want to do different? I don't want it to, the whole thing to be like totally the same, so let's see. I mean, I think that's okay for now. Can always come back, edit it later. Oh, pictures. I don't have any pictures in any of the houses. That might help. Spinnerack in chat for anybody who is playing Pokemon community game. I never re-implemented a PCG command, did I? If you're interested in joining Pokemon community game and haven't already started it, there is information down under the stream for how you can do that. Okay. I was like, why is this not working? It's because I was not selected on the application here. Rival's Mom. I haven't actually figured out a name yet for this. For what her actual name is gonna be. I haven't figured that out yet. So we're just gonna do this. We're gonna find somebody. I'll have to do a new custom sprite for her eventually. For now, we'll just take this lady. I'm going to delete this. text. I'm just gonna do that for now, just so that we have something in here. At some point, that's something that I'm gonna have to go in and do eventually, is figure out what that dialogue is going to be and figure out a lot of the controls and switches and stuff, because it's actually, things are actually gonna have to be somewhat different. Because of the brain, please work. Because of the switching the who you play as, right? So you actually have, whenever that situation comes up, you actually have to do double the amount of work, because you have to brain, because you have to do the entire thing for each character and then just have a switch so that it shows the correct one based on who you chose at the beginning of the game. Oh, that is a big Pikachu. That's a very big Pikachu. Oh my god, I love that. I don't know if I'm going to actually release this. I mean, I would love to be able to. But it's gonna be a lot of work and a lot of time. It's at the rate that I am currently going with this, even once I get the friend who I started this project with back into it and a lot of other people, it could honestly take multiple years to finish this thing, because it is just such a huge amount of work. This is like the very, very basics building this. I mean, like, it took me a whole stream just to build like this, and I'm gonna be and I've redone part of it already since then, and we'll be redoing a lot more of it as well. And like, it's taken me this entire stream of obviously getting distracted and doing other stuff just to do these two houses, which, as you can see, are very similar. Right. So, then again, I did have to do this one twice just because it got all glitchy and weird and stuff, but still. Did I use all of... Oh, I didn't actually use this one. What level am I on? I'm on level 3. I want to... No, that's way too big for that. Hello? What's happening? Okay, there we go. Okay. What, I'll do a little detail. This one's got trash in it. There's another little change. And I think I have a green cushion, actually, so I can replace that. Yeah, oh yeah, because I put the green cushion here. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to... Okay. I'm going to try to edit this. Let me look at this one. These are two different events. This event up here is like the whole main intro sequence. I have it set to just skip this. This is essentially like a quick start, which is how I can get into the game and stuff so easily without having to go through the main thing every time. Okay. So I want to insert a conditional branch. No. No. Show choices. Okay. Well, we can make these the actual names. Why not? So this is going to be Kyle. This is going to be Daisy. So theoretically, not debug. Options, turn the volume down. See you later. Thanks for stopping by. Oops. Switch that to fast. New game. I still don't know why it isn't showing the, or playing the music. Okay, now we do it again. If I do this, aha! Yes. Okay, that worked. Figured it would. What I need to do now, oops. Actually, can I get to the variables from here? I figured out a solution to this gender swap previously, but I don't know if there's a better one. So I'm just gonna look that up really quick. No, not this one. Okay. Oh. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be... Okay, yeah. This should be really easy to do then. Insert conditional branch. No. How do I access this from... I don't know how to access it though. I don't want script. Transfer set event location. No, none of this is... How do I actually retrieve these variables? Change state? No. Ay. I'm realizing I have not been very articulated about what I'm actually trying to do here. There's in the within the trainer data, when I set it to play as either the boy or girl, that information is stored, as well as that the gender information, as well as like a bajillion other things, are stored somewhere. And I'm trying to figure out how to actually grab that information. So that I can use it for the conditionals. Sure, let's just go with that. For now, just for testing purposes. not... How do I access those? That's what I can't figure out, is how do I actually access those? Oh, script. So now if I do... If I can spell... Okay, hold on. Hold on. I think I might have just figured this out. Nope. Oh, hold on. I know. I know what it is. Double equal sign. Actually, I might need a triple. I don't know how checking works in this game, or in this program, if it's double or triple. Oh? Yes! Okay. Okay. Yes. Conditional branch script player gender equals 0. That's all it is. Yes. That's gonna make things so much easier. Because I can do so much with that. I'm cheering because I figured out a super, super easy way to switch what happens depending on if you play as a boy or a girl. And I just figured out the easy way to do that. Oh, and it's literally just this. Conditional branch script player dot gender equals 0. That is it. That's all I have to do. Then I want put this stuff if you're playing as Kyle here, and the stuff if you're playing as Daisy here. Oh, that is so nice. Okay. Switch. Now, can I do this as a script? Is the question. Or can I use a variable? What can I do here? Because that player gender is not stored here. Right? Started, yeah. Yeah, it's not stored here. So when I have one thing figured out, but that doesn't fix, that doesn't do everything, because it doesn't let me do a separate event page. To then be able to display the other. Know what I mean? Like if I'm playing as Kyle, then I want the image and the text to be Daisy. I can make the text Daisy, because it's just going to be different text, using this conditional branch, theoretically. But then if it were Kyle, it would also have to change the image, not just the text, meaning I would need a new event page. But then I would need this condition. And I don't know how to grab that condition from here. I'm just going to keep you there for now. So that I have an easy way to go back to that. Oops. There we go. Okay. Oops. Yes, Panda has been here. Been looking. Okay. Well. Oh, actually, I know what I need to do. I need to switch this so that it actually puts the player in front of the rival's house. And then in Neutral Town, I need to edit this event. Unless I already did and I'm forgetting. To actually bring the player into here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this event. Paste the event here. Select you. Say, hi Kyle, I'm Dave, if I can spell. Do that. And here, Daisy, I'm Kyle's mom. Like that. Okay. Delete this now. Let me go ahead and save that. Ooh, did not mean to did not mean to make that full screen. Okay. Boy. Turn down the volume so that we don't blast our ears out as soon as we step outside the house. Now I can run. Oh, for those that missed it, I love this. It doesn't look like I can walk behind the TV. This is not actually stuck. You can walk behind the TV, in between the TV and the stairs, and this is probably my favorite part of everything that I've built so far, in all honesty. Just the fact that you can walk between them like this. It's just like this little secret. Doesn't look like you should be able to, but you can. Okay. Oh, that's right. That just like breaks the game. Okay, let's try that again and not break the game this time. Turn on the volume. Okay, select boy. Grab the running shoes. And then we come here. Talk to you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. Yes! Oh, that is nice. That is so good. Okay. I think that's where I'm gonna end for today. It is almost 1 a.m., so that definitely seems like a good place to stop. So, thank you all so much for stopping by. Great to see everybody. Don't know when the next stream is going to be. like usual, I don't have a schedule, so just whenever I have something that I want to do, um, and have time to do it, obviously, music and this is like the two main things. May do some other stuff as well. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on what happens. And let's make sure everything is saved as I'm closing out of it here. And let's find somebody to raid. Ooh. Okay, I do actually have a few options here. Yeah. I know who I'm gonna raid. Oh. She might be ending soon. Yeah, it sounds like she's ending. Dang it. Okay. Snack time emote. Okay. So, this is our raid message. We are going to go raid Midge. What is this? Is that button also not working? Okay, fine, I'll do it manually. So, we are going to raid Midge, Miss Midgley. She is in the middle, she is on day 22 of an uncapped affiliate birthday thon. So she is honestly might be ending soon, but that is okay. We are going to. Oh. I am not allowed to raid her. Her settings are set up so that I cannot raid. Okay. So. Oh. Okay, well, she does not. This person does not seem to be ending, so we will not be raiding. Instead, we're gonna go raid Vio. Yes, that worked. We're raiding Vio instead. So, thank you all so much for being here, and I will see you soon. Bye.